Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can clear Safari history on your iPhone device. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And let's get started. So, in order to clear Safari history, you will need to go into your phone settings. Next, scroll down until you find Safari. You tap on it, and then scroll down to the very bottom. And you'll find Clear History and Websites. Click on that. And this is where we'll be given a choice like this. Do we want to clear the history for today? Or just for today or yesterday? Or do we want to clear the whole history, as I chose? We'll also be asked if we want to close all the tabs that we have open. Maybe now. And after you select that, you just click Clear History. And everything will be cleared instantly. So that's the very simple way that you can easily clear Safari history on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to write your comments and put your likes. And see you soon, friends.